Hello, my name is Katie, and today I am going to show you how to do a birdcage braid. Let's get started. So, I've already put her hair in a tight, up-high ponytail, and I'm just going to brush it out. Just so it's really smooth and easy to work with. Her hair is damp already. Let me just tighten it up. Okay, so I'm going to take a small section of hair, like an inch, I would say, like about 2 fingers in length, across her ponytail, as you can see, at the top. And the majority of her hair is down. Okay, so, gonna just brush this up real quick. Okay, so, after you have that section, you're going to divide it into 3 equal parts. Just try to get them as equal as you can. Okay, after you have your 3 equal parts, start a braid. You have 1 braid, okay? I'm going to take from this piece a section of hair in the back on the side and put it over and start the braid. Now I'm going to take another section of this and cross it over. It's kind of like a French braid, but the only difference is that when you do a French braid, keep going, you tend to pull across and get it as tight. I try to say pull down, because that is what the final thing it will look better if you do that. So I'm again taking another piece, just kind of smoothing it out as I go. Take another piece of hair from the back. Pull. It doesn't matter if you have any short layers or flyaways. Take a section, pull it over, down. Take another section from the back. Keep going. This works with thick, thin, curly, straight hair. I'm going to take another section, pull it in. As you can see, it's getting longer, and it looks kind of cool just like that. I mean, if I wanted to, I could leave it. That's kind of a cute hairstyle, I guess. Take another section from the back. And I'm not pulling across, I'm pulling down. Okay, so I'm getting to my last little bit of hair, as you can see. Just gonna keep on going. I'll just divide this little section in half. And this will be my last one. After you run out of hair, I have no more hair in the back. Let's see, I'll just put this down a little bit. Then just do a normal braid. And I am going to finish that off. And see, she has some flyaways. Don't worry about that. I'm going to finish that off with a little clear elastic. Or it kind of looks blue, but oh well. You can do this with the ponytail. I'm just doing it with an elastic. Get that. Okay, So there, you have a braid like this. Okay? Next, you're going to jump down from the top about 2 braids down. Okay? And watch. You're just going to take 2 braids down, grab the braid, and pull up. Now you can see it kind of looks like a rib cage, like a bird cage kind of. And then I'm going to take there you can see it, a hairpin, and I'm going to take this braid, pin it up, and I'm going to take a regular hairpin and bobby pin or hairpin that down, and if I need to, I can add another hairpin just so it absolutely stays. Okay, and you have that. I think it's cooler if you take the bottom and kind of tuck it under and bobby pin it that way. So I simply just take the bottom and tuck it under close to the hair tie. And I'll just bobby pin that. Okay. Oh wait, it's not staying. Hold on. This, flip it under, and bobby pin. There we go. Now you can just kind of, there you go. And that is the cage braid. Thank you for watching. Bye.